How to fix emergency calls only on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you through quick basic steps on how you can fix emergency calls only on Android. Now first things first, you want to check in if your SIM card is active or not. You'll find the SIM card icon at the top of your screen. You can see mine at the top right corner. If your SIM card is active and turned on and it's still showing emergency call only, then first you want to switch on your airplane mode. Scroll down notification bar, you can see the flight mode or airplane mode, toggle it on and then toggle it back off. So this might fix the issue. However, if this doesn't help, then you might want to manually select the network provider. Now to do so, first you can try and restart your device. If once you restart your device, if it still doesn't help, if it still doesn't fix, you want to scroll the notification bar, tap on the settings icon here and head into the connections option. Under connections, you want to head into mobile networks option here, and you can see my network 1 and network 2. You want to tap on it, you want to make sure it's on the 5G or best network here, and then scroll down. You can see access point names option. You want to tap on it and you can change this if you want. You can search in for other access points for your network provider and manually type it, and then you can see network operators option there. You want to tap on it and you can tap on select automatically option and then choose automatically selects. Now this might take a longer process though, so this way you can fix emergency calls only on Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and then not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.